Welcome to my channel, Crochet by Gillian, and another granny square tutorial. Let's get started. To begin round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Into the ring, you're going to make 11 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, and I'm going to pull my ring close. I'm going to join to the top of the chain 3, 1, 2, 3 with a slip stitch. And that is the end of round 1. For round 2, we're going to pull up on that loop so that we don't lose it, and we're going to be joining with a slip stitch in between the double crochet stitches. So we're going to be working in between the stitches, not into the stitches itself. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in that same space you're going to make a double crochet. Into the next space, 2 double crochets, and repeat 2 double crochets into the next space. Repeat that sequence around and we'll meet at the end. And you're going to join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and pull up on that loop. That is the end of round 2. For round 3, we're going to insert a hook into this space and place the loop from round 1 back onto your hook, and you're going to pull that through. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into that same space you're going to make 3 extended double crochets. You're going to wrap your hook, go into the space and pull up a loop, and you're going to take 1 loop off your hook, then 2 and 2, and you're going to repeat 2 more times. Wrap your hook, go in, pull up a loop, pull 2 loops off your hook, 2 and then 2, and repeat 1 more time. And chain 3, 2 and 3, and you're going to pull up on that loop. With the next color, you're going to skip 2 stitches, and in between the space here you're going to place that loop onto your hook and pull that through. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into that same space you're going to make 3 extended double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to pull up on that loop. Now we're going to grab your first color, and you're going to go in front of the second color Move that out of the way. You're going to skip 2 stitches, and into the next space you're going to make a slip stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're just repeating the stitches, and into the same space make 3 extended double crochets. One, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to pull up on that loop. And you're going to grab the next color, and you're going to repeat. Skip 2 stitches, and into the next space make a slip stitch. Chain 5, 4, and 5, and in that same space make 3 extended double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to chain 3. You're going to repeat this sequence around, and we'll meet at the end. For the first color, we're going to fasten off here. Chain 1, and that is the end of round 3. For round 4, you can join in any of the top of the chain 5 stitches, and we're also going to be working into the back loop of the stitches. So the back loop is going to be the loop that is close further away from you, and the front loop is the one that's closest to you. We're going to join with a slip stitch, into the next stitch. You're going to make a single crochet, half double crochet into the next stitch, and a double crochet into the next stitch. And you're going to repeat your stitches. Make a slip stitch into the top of the chain 5, make a single crochet into the next stitch, a half double crochet into the next stitch, and a double crochet into the next. And you're going to repeat. Slip stitch to the top of the chain 5, single crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next stitch. You're going to repeat that sequence around, and we'll meet at the end. At the end, you're going to join with a slip stitch to the slip stitch. And that is the end of round 4. For round 5, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that chain 6 counts as a treble crochet and plus a chain 2. Into the same space, you're going to make a treble crochet. You're going to wrap your hook twice for a treble crochet. You're going to go in to the stitch and pull up a loop, and you're going to pull 2 loops off, 2 and 2. You're going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, a half double crochet in the next stitch, and make 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Half double crochet in the next stitch, and a double crochet in the next stitch. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a treble crochet. Wrap your hook twice for a treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to chain 2 and make another treble crochet into that stitch. 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to repeat the sides. Double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, make a single crochet into the next 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, half double crochet in the next stitch, and a double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that sequence around, and we'll meet at the end. At the end, you're going to join to the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4 with a slip stitch. And that is the end of round 5. For round 6, slip stitch into the chain space, chain 3. Into that same space, make 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and make 3 more double crochets into that space. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to make a double crochet into the next 13 stitches until you get to the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. Into the chain space, 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to repeat this around and we'll meet at the end. Make a double crochet into that stitch that you made your slip stitch at the beginning of the round. And you're going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. And you're going to fasten off. For round 7, you can join in any of the chain 2 corner spaces that you like. I'm going to join with a standing double crochet, and for round 7 you're going to be repeating the stitches like you did in round 6. For standing double crochet, put a slip knot on your hook and wrap your hook once. You're going to go into the chain 2 space and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Wrap your hook and pull through 2, and wrap your hook and pull through 2. In that same space, you're going to make 2 more double crochets. You're going to chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the space. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to make 1 double crochet into the next 19 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to fasten off here. This is the end of the tutorial. We're going to join to the second double crochet stitch, not the standing stitch or the chain 3, and into the back loop of the last stitch and into the top of the standing stitch. And that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.